So guys, let me show you why you were unable to withdraw, or you've withdrawn and you've not gotten your money. Now when you come right here, now let's come right here, look at my withdrawals. I have made withdrawals of $20, $20.26, $11.83, and I just placed withdrawal now. Now when you come down to this particular green note right here, you can see that I'm on a queue. I'm supposed to be on a queue from this bottom side, but I've jumped. This is me, where you're seeing me 187. So that is me now. So very soon my payment will be received. So once you want to if you want to jump a queue, this is what you're going to do. You'll be clicking on this green button. Click on it. You're going to be seeing how to obtain the horn. You need to obtain horn for you to jump a queue. Now once you click on queue jumping, look at what you're going. Let's come right here. Once you click on queue jumping, look at what they will tell you to do. You can obtain horn by completing daily tasks and opening activity chest. How to obtain the horn? Because you need to obtain horn for you to jump queue. Now there are a lot of people on this program. It's paying, yes, it's legit, but there are a lot of people. You can't be the only one that they will be paying. So what you just need to do is to always jump queue. Now how do you get this queue? You can see that they ask you to complete daily tasks and also obtain activity. So once you click on go to get, you're going to be coming right here. Perform all these daily tasks. These are the daily tasks you need to perform for you to be able to jump the queue. So once you are able to jump queue, you'll be getting your payments instantly, like sharply. So that is what you just need to do. Make sure you are doing your daily tasks so you can be able to jump the queue. Look at that's how you'll be jumping till you get your payment. If you just stay below this particular place, before you get your money, it will be difficult. So that is what I want you to take note of. So that is the secret most people are using to jump the queue. So if you actually want to get your withdrawals, maybe after doing what you're supposed to do on this app and you want to get your withdrawals, quickly come over to where you can place your withdrawal. You just need to keep jumping this queue for you to be able to withdraw, because if you just place withdrawal and wait, you're not going to be getting your funds. Others will be getting it. You'll be surprised that you're not getting it. The reason why they are getting it is because they are clicking on this green button and they are jumping the queue. Just like when you are in a queue, when you jump a queue, you are going to the front. So the more you jump, the more you get your funds. So that's how you can actually get your funds quickly on this particular platform. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got one or two from this video, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification. So if you have any question or you have some challenges while following this process, do reach out to us, dropping your comments on the comment section, and we'll be glad to give response to that. Okay, however, you can do well to join our social media platforms, the Telegram and the WhatsApp group, where you can get more insights on how platforms like this work properly. So see you on my next video, and keep winning.